How to order Uber Eats with gift card. First thing first, you wanna head over to your application Uber Eats. Enter your login credentials and then sign into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, head over to account at the bottom right corner. Here inside account, you need to head over to the option of payment. It will redirect you to this page. Simply click on Add Payment Method. Now in this section, you simply have to enter the PIN or the code of your gift card. Once you have entered, click on Add. Your gift card will be added to your Uber Eats successfully. Now whenever you are trying to order something in Uber Eats, at the time of the checklist, you will find the option for the payment. You simply have to choose the gift card as your payment method, and then pay the amount with the help of the balance that you have got in your gift card, and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can order in Uber Eats with the help of your gift card. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. If it does, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. And thank you for watching it till the end.